Hello Vechain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update of the Vechain. Absolutely, this update is going urgent to all Vechain holders, my friends. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now, my friends, at this time the price of the Vechain is 0.08 USD dollar. Other side, my friends, if we talk about the Vechain and the Bitcoin and the BTC, so 0.0000247 Bitcoin is the currently price of the Vechain in the market. Other side, my friends, the 24 hours trading volume of the Vechain is present here. You can see here market cap, available supply, total supply of the Vechain is here, my friends. And my friends, other hand, especially if we talk about the price changes of the Vechain, so you know what, my friends, the price of the Vechain is completely going wrong. The last 24 hours, the last 1 hour changes of the Vechain is negative. Completely the price of the Vechain is going down. So what should we do in this critical situation? A lot of people confused that what should we do. The people don't understand that what is the best decision for his, my friends. But I really recommend for all of you, especially for my subscriber, my viewers, those people who's following ABS Tech channel, I really recommend for all of you to please now this time you can see from the July the price of the Vechain is gradually starting increasing, my friends. Not a quick jump occur in the Vechain. You can see in the June month the price of the Vechain is completely down, but now in the beginning of the July the Vechain start pumping. So absolutely if they start pumping, so I'm sure that they'll take a huge pump in this July month, my friends. So I really recommend for all of you to please hold, don't decide to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Vechain? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.